Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my Vlogmas day 16, and that means we have 9 more days to Christmas. How are you guys doing? So guys, if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Temidayo Ojieyan and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And if you want to see more of all these things, then please kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. And thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So today I want to teach you guys something simple and very yummy you can add to your dish for Christmas celebration, and it's called Gizdodo. So that's chicken gizzard plus plantain. So it's called Gizdodo back in Nigeria. So guys, I'm just going to go straight into cooking and show you what my ingredients are. And always remember to check the description box. That's where I put all the recipe for each meal I prepare. Alright guys, let's go right into cooking.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance,
Hi guys, so our food is ready, our Gizdodo is ready. You can see how beautiful this looks. I like putting those pepper because it helps the color pop out, and this is going to really look beautiful on your table on Christmas Day. So guys, let me know if you like this, and let me know if you'll be trying this out on Christmas Day. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're here, to click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Bye.